Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset the home screen layout on the Apple Watch 7. So first, let's go back to the app screen or go back to your clock face by pressing on the crown button. Once you are back at the clock face, press on the digital crown button and this will take you into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon and then tap on general. Now you may need to go down and tap on general. In the general setting page, go down to the bottom and tap on reset. Then go down and tap on reset home screen layout. Okay, so this will reset your home screen layout to factory default. If you are sure, you can tap on cancel or reset home screen. So we're going to tap on reset home screen and that's it. Now you can press on the crown button to go back to your app screen or press on it again to go back to your clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.